How to fix Rocket League lag on on PC easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, click this one here and now close the applications that just close applications that you don't need. Right click and then click exit. Close all the applications that you don't need, and then go to settings here. Now go to privacy and here type background apps, click on it. Now maybe you'll find it like that, just turn it off and go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.